Okay, welcome back everybody to another episode of Ruin to Rail. Today I'm going to be working on this Hornby Triang dock shunter. This has been sat in the back of the cupboard for many years, so I don't really remember what sort of condition it is in. So let's take it over to the track and let's give it a test, see what it's doing. Okay, we're going to up on the track ready to test. From what I can remember, it used to be quite a sort of a slow runner, and then you'd have to turn it all up to full speed until it started sort of kicking in. So let's give it a bit of power, let's see what happens. Okay, so yeah, it needs a bit of work. Okay, so that's 3/4 of a pound, and you've got a 4 pound, it takes off like a rocket. Okay, let's get it to the workbench. Okay, right, let's start with disassembly. So we'll start taking the body off. It's got a screw here on the top. Okay, so it's just a little chassis there, it's a very compact chassis. Okay. Probably don't need to sort of really disassemble more than this, just need to take one of the brushes out. Okay, so you've got a little brush arm there. One brush. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but the commutator there is very black, so let's give that a good clean. Get the cleaning fluid. Okay, just clean out the little channels in between the commutator. Okay, give the brushes a quick clean. So just try and clean that one in situ actually, because that one can be a bit of a pain to get in and out of. So I'm just going to move the brush out of the way. This is always the tricky bit, trying to get the brush back in. You need sort of free hands essentially. Try and keep the brush in place without pushing the brush back down. Okay, let's try and do like this. Okay, no, we're not going to be taking the base keeper plate off because the screws are seized on, so I'm just going to have to try and clean the pickups while in place.